Guys, what's going on? Today we're testing out the new Ryobi surface cleaner to power wash this nasty paver patio that is disgusting. You can see he got a little bit of cleaning here done, but you can see obviously how disgusting and dirty this thing is. So we are today going to be using the new Ryobi surface cleaner. Quick connect right there, so just looking right up. Yeah, so it's just going to blast out and it's going to spray. I like how you have these little bristles here to keep the dirt and sand away. And I really bought this just because the amount of dirt was on me yesterday was absolutely ridiculous. The caster should be nice. Should make it nice and easy to slide around. I guess we'll find out. We're using the new stuff. It's a new Simpson. It was on Amazon. It was an Amazon special. 3,400 PSI, 2.5 gallons per minute. And we are going to try to do this and see, yeah, 3,500 PSI. That is rated for 24 to 34. So I guess we're going to see if this thing can hang. See how it works. Let's go turn on the water. Turn the surface cleaner all the way around as I used it backwards for a good part of the video. 2 wheels in the front, 1 in the back. So I'm just going to blast it, see what happens here. Get some of the air bubbles out of here. Make sure there's nothing in the line. They recommend spraying it to get the air out for about 30 seconds. So let's see. Turn this thing over. Alright. So this thing is just going to spin. Obviously this is no power. This is no pressure here. It's off. But so far so good. And we'll see with the full pressure. Alright, let's start this thing up. Let's go here. Quick. Turn on. Fuel on. Choke. And let's pull. Alright, let's see what kind of pressure this thing has. Okay, so I want to see right there in the middle. You see that? Yeah, that is 3,500 PSI. This is rated to 3,400. So that is currently coming out of the O-ring fitting around the center. You see that? All right, the 100 pounds of PSI is actually causing it to leak a little bit through the center, which didn't really cause a big issue during the whole cleaning process. But even so, I just want to let you know that that 3,400 rating is a solid rating. It's really getting all the dirt and stuff to clean the pavers up really well. But either way, it's making a huge mess. Alright, I don't know if this is cleaning it. It looks like it's cleaning, but I can't tell. I mean, I hope this cleans it because this is the only way I could see doing it. I enjoy doing this stuff. Alright. So we're going to do this little section here and we'll hopefully look good. Alright, now we have this disconnected, we have this out. Let's see what we got here. Wow, pretty impressive. But it did clean pretty good. There's a line right here. Wow, very impressive. Let's see what we got. Wow. Alright, let's do some more and we'll come back and check it out. Ooh, it's getting hot out here. We did a little bit of the surface. We did miss some stuff. You see, you got some spots that we missed. And didn't get them all. You can see all these spots that I thought I got. So I'm just gonna have to go over it one more time. See another spot right there. Again, but it does do. Look, I did this whole area. I did about, I don't know, 2/3 of the patio. It's a pretty decent sized patio here. And you see, this took me about an hour to do. Pretty much from there over. Still gotta do all that over here. But really sped up the process. If I didn't have that, I'd probably still be in this area here. Last year it took me about 4 hours. I tried it last year without the surface cleaner. Not a good time. Definitely recommended surface cleaner. Well worth the money. Hey guys, if you like the video and like the product and you're interested in buying it, click the link below. Get a little cup of coffee from that purchase if you do make one. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks so much. And we'll see you on the next one. The rest of the video is just me cleaning the surface. Enjoy. Guys, if you stuck around to the end of the video, thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next one.